Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I will try to analyze the market of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15 minutes chart of gold in front of us. And yesterday there was no video because of a reason. Because just before uploading the video, I saw that my SL was hit. So when my SL was hit somewhere around here, I understood that this market is going to be crazy because I record my videos in the Asian session, and if Asian session is difficult to predict and difficult to understand, then obviously the rest of the sessions are going to be wild. And as expected, the market is on a crazy ride. If you are a day trader, then you must be finding it very difficult right now to understand the situation. And to be honest, I also do not have any answer. I was looking for answers online, but I could not find one. And today is the last trading day of the month, and also today is Friday. So my dear friends, please do not fry your account. If possible, stay away from the market because I am also not trading. If you're a part of the free Telegram community, then you must know I have already uploaded that I'm not going to trade today because overall I had a very good month. When gold was trending, we all made good money. I do not want to lose my profit. So let's wait and watch. And if you're still planning to trade, then you need to be extra careful because US session may show some profit booking and market may get more crazy. And right now, nothing is working properly. That is another reason I'm not trading. Before I begin, again repeating, my dear friends, that I'm not going to trade today because as a retail trader, we all have our own limitations. And right now, I'm finding it difficult to trade. I do not want to face any more losses. So whatever I'm about to discuss today, are going to be high risk. And so please be careful and do your own research as well. Do not trade blindly. We are traders, not gamblers. Do not forget it. Now, where are the trading opportunities then? So right now we can clearly see the market is choppy. We do not have a clear direction. Because if we look at the market structure, because if you look at the market structure, we can see the market structure is higher highs. But here market is not forming higher lows as well. So more or less we are having a choppy market here. Means the highs and lows of the market are not very clear to us. So the weekly closing is going to be very, very important. So during the day, my dear friends, if you see market taking support around 396061, you can look for a buy. Then you can also look for a buy around 394647. So 394647 is first trading opportunity. No, sorry, the second trading opportunity, and we also have a level around 3960 3961. So these are the two levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. Right now you must know that tight stop losses are not working, so minimum stop loss should be 80 to 90 pips. Yes, this is goal. So reduce the lot size, and easily you can target 100 plus pips. So 396061 first trading opportunity, 4647 is a second trading opportunity. I don't think so that I need to remind you guys that these are high risk levels. All the levels are high risk right now. Go. And in case market drops further, then we can look for a buy on 3920 area. So 3920 is third level of where we can look for a buy position. Chances of market coming down to the yellow box, which is 388792, is very less. Remember when market was falling, this was the low made by the market. This is the ultimate support around 388792, but I don't think so market will come to that level. But if it does, here also we can look for a buy position. But as a day trader right now, you can keep your eyes on these three areas of the market: 60, 61, 46, 47, then 20, around 20. How much you can expect? Do not expect trend reversals. In a choppy market, if you can get a one green candle also, that is good enough. And on the other hand, if market goes up from here, my dear friends, you can see the breakouts are not clear. As I have already said in the message also in the group, that the breakouts are also not very clear. So during the day, if you see market is consolidating around 40-45 area. Listen to me carefully. If you see 1 to 2 hours consolidation on a 40-45 area, then you can look for a buy above 50. Without consolidation, okay, you will just see a breakout like this where it will not be a big one. So look for a breakout above 50. If you see market consolidating, then only go for a buy. Otherwise, just avoid. How much consolidation we need? We need a consolidation of at least 1 to 2 hours. And if you are fearful because of false breakout, then what you can do is, okay, you can enter pullback. Means when the same level will become the new support, means 405, yeah, big zone 4050 to 4040 will act as the new support. You can enter at pullback, okay, later on. But right now market is trading in this particular portion of the market and things are not very clear. Okay, so use small lot and proper stop loss. As I said, okay, these are high risk levels and I'm not in a mood of giving my money back to the market. Okay, so I'm not trading. I'm looking for opportunities outside gold, okay, on currency pairs today, but not on gold. So keep your eyes, okay, keep your eyes on the chart carefully, on the levels mostly. And if you're swing trader, then obviously I will suggest you to wait for the market closing. Let the market close. Let's see, okay, where the market closes. The weekly closing is always important. Okay, let's see where does the market close. Okay, then we will discuss tomorrow. But as of now, okay, we need to accept that things are not very clear. And as a retail trader, okay, we need to react according to the situation because we are traders, not gamblers. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable forex trading broker for best trading experience and also safety of your funds, then Vantage Markets is the perfect solution. Vantage Markets doesn't require any introduction. They are in the business for a long time. They are one of the market leaders. You can see they have more than 5 million registered users from all around the world. They have 1,000+ products to trade from. And Vantage, okay, also provide 24/7 customer support. Their service is very good. And if you open your account under our referral, okay, you will also get assistance from our side as well. And you'll also get access to our WhatsApp community where you'll find regular market updates and analysis. In the free Telegram community, I only upload twice a week, and if anything crazy happens, but you'll find regular updates on the WhatsApp community if you use our referral. And Vantage Market is also top-notch in case of safety. It's a multi-regulated broker, okay, and it also provides insurance up to $1 million. So if you're planning to, okay, trade with big amount, then obviously you do not want your broker, okay, to be unsafe. You want the safety of your money, isn't it? So Vantage is a market broker that provides insurance up to $1 million so that you don't need to worry if your broker vanishes one day. You will be protected. So these are few things many traders do not know, but yes, they are very important. So feel free to open your account in Vantage Market. Okay, if you're looking for a good option, the link will be in the description.